Let's go. What is going on, everyone? I hope you can hear me. I hope the family is doing well. And what a great day to be alive, eh? I sat here day after day looking at those red candles saying, be patient, guys. 70% of your alts don't mean absolutely nothing to the banana zone. And on that note, I would like to say, nice to meet you all in a slightly more positive environment. Having said that, it's nothing compared to what's coming, guys. Absolutely nothing. So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you are starting to appreciate what pullbacks mean. I did a video saying no one's ever made money after the Bitcoin halving. And I'm gonna stick to that. And I think that's the case. But listen, this is all temporary. Congratulations to Spain. Congratulations to Argentina. Big sporting events. So it's not all plain sailing. It's not just the green candles that do this. But hey, listen, we're all feeling positive. But there are opportunities out there, and there will continue to be opportunities for the rest of the bull market. And here are a couple of things. I mean, the entire market is just, meme coins. What? Fuck the meme coins, man. If you could imagine the amount of money everybody lost on meaningless meme coins over the last few months, just chasing that bag, when you know the banana zone's coming, and adopt the mindset if you want to make generational money. So in the mindset of it is so over, I found that this is brilliant. I want to show you this, right? I want to share something with you, because this is probably the hardest game you're ever going to play in your life, but it's the most rewarding. And as such, this is the mindset. We're not out of the woods. We don't absolutely want to go over the top. We don't want to go overboard. But guys, we're going to explore opportunities tonight. So let me say hello to all of you guys. In the midst of it's over, I found that there was within me an invincible. We're so back, right? We're so back, and this tells you a different story. Top gainers have never been these fundamental projects. The top gainers have always been memes. Is this guy lying to us about this frigging so-called bull market? But guys, we will get a zone that is absolutely incredible, and that just goes nuts. So when the banana zone comes, you better be ready to eat some bananas. And again, the mindset goes from DCA and in to DCA and out. It is absolute facts, and that's what you got to be prepared for. And by the way, a lot of you actually feel the FOMO, but I'd like to remind every single one of you that this to the month makes most sense, right? When you zoom out and you see where the altcoins are in general, I mean, Ondo for the last 30 days, despite what's going on right now, still under 10%. And some projects have bounced a lot more, but this is how we buy. We zoom out, basically. So let me say hello to all of you legends. And there's a lot of us. What's going on, Cave? Hope you're doing well, brother. Mr. Tweet in the building. And very important. Yeah, let's go, bro. Very important to see what Gareth said here, because this is a, still down 30% overall, but getting there. I think few more candles take you there. Few more big candles, and you will never remember. The only thing you'll remember about this time is your mindset in terms of what you've been buying. And Lark Davis puts out a brilliant tweet, and this is it. So we've got to be smoking, guys. We still got discounts out there. We still got a DCA with some projects. But yeah, I love that. Listen, the fact that it's 30% down, it will take you no time to go over that 30%. But what about the 2000% that's up the other way? So yeah, shout out to you guys. Hey, congratulations to Argentina. Messi got a bad injury last night, but yeah, well done, bro. You're celebrating today. Once again, thank you for the portfolio review. Okay, sir, my guy. This guy is brilliant, by the way. Fantastic brother in our Discord. We're very lucky to have you amongst the others here as well. Largely, this is all the family. I wanted to, I'm always here on the red days, kind of gleaming, celebrating. So it's a different feel today, bro. But we're so lucky to have you, man. Thank you for being part of the the group. I think in terms of the portfolio review, that was fantastic. And of course, yeah, I have to give the extensive review because our livelihood depends on it. So I mean, one of the things, and I hope you don't mind me sharing this with the team, one of the things I really really liked about your portfolio was the fact that you had a decent allocation into the projects, right? So you know how a lot of us have 20 projects, and sometimes you will see, okay, yeah, someone's got a Casper or Alpha or something, but then they've got like 20 or 30 altcoins with like $50, $100 here and there. Get rid of the shit. I've been saying that for months. If you can condense into 5 to 10 projects, regardless of how diversified you want to be, I think sometimes a bloated portfolio, it could be a sign of greed, because a 10x on a $10,000 play gets you to 100K, then 20 or 40 shitty microcaps that will move at the end of the cycle. Or you may not be there just to have, when Bitcoin has his next dip, they may not survive, right? And that's ultimately the mindset. You've got to, everybody teaches you that big caps or relatively strong projects don't matter because you need that degen play, because there is a promise of a Binance listing. But guys, we're halfway through the bull market, and I don't think certain projects will have a Binance listing or Coinbase listing. It's just a fact of life. The more we understand that, the better we can actually accommodate our emotions. And there's still a lot of work to be done. I mean, look, we talk about Banana Zone, guys. This is what we're talking about. So just imagine right now, you are here. So the steep climb up, potentially, once we are in clear waters, the steep climb up is going to leave a lot of people bewildered, in the sense that your inner greed's going to kick in. You're going to say to yourself, nah, man, this is done, what, 10x in a few days? I'm not taking any profits. If you put in a project and you put 1,000 in and it's now at 10,000, pay yourself, get your 1,000 initial out, right? We don't make any money in crypto unless we scale out. And I think the mindset that we have at the community right now, and there are plenty of brilliant people, I think each and every single one of you are incredible now. So it's not a DXB community in the sense that it's, this is me just giving out the alpha. I try to put in the work, but some of you guys there are absolutely outstanding, man. So, and we've got a big one coming up, guys. We've got a huge one coming up for the Banana Zone, and we kind of had this in the Patreon community, in the Discord community, but I'm delighted to confirm on Wednesday night we're going to be hosting Alium. And for such a small channel like us, this is big news, because they don't talk to anybody. And I think the person that we're going to get is able to answer a lot of questions. And she's absolutely fantastic. She's got scientific background. And link up tomorrow night or Wednesday night for this incredible AMA. I might actually postpone this to to another day. I will text. I've got an urgent flight that I might need to take. But nevertheless, this is something that we're looking forward to on Wednesday night, and I'm hoping that I can do a very good job here, because this project right here is going to make a lot of people a lot of money. I think both the magnitude and the direction of Alephium is as a layer one, which we hold. I hope we hold in this community, is still very, very undervalued. There is a unlock coming, the last major unlock of about 3.5 million tokens, because they had some pre-mine, but that's done on the 25th. So logistically speaking, this is going to be a fantastic time for our community to be able to host this, or to get this scoop. And, shout out to everybody that supported us in that. So yeah, we are going places. We are going to the banana zone, and we are going to make some money. Marvia Maxi Boy is happy with the green candles today. Bro, listen, the funny thing is, I was watching Marvia for a while, but to pull the trigger, and again, on behalf of the community, it was more about realizing soon as it got to around $2, around two something dollars, I started to buy it on the way down, and I think a lot of us did. And yeah, shout out to you, bro, as well, because I think conviction matters. What you hold matters, and where those projects are going. And I've been spamming a lot of these teams, by the way, to try and come on to us. We don't charge anyone for AMAs. I believe AMAs in the industry, across YouTube, go for something ridiculous, like we're talking about 2 ETHs. We don't do that here. We just want projects to come and talk to us. So maybe that's why we're being more successful. And big up Tarek from Okta, Cliff from Dynex. These are the real teams. And now, of course, we have Mo Bamvard come in, and yeah, she's very sophisticated. She knows her stuff. So get your questions ready, guys. Hello, everyone. Remember to smash the like button. My brother always supporting, man. Always supporting. Thank you so much, bro. And I hope the Caribbean is doing well, my man. Everyone loving these gains. Question mark. Well, listen, only the Patriot will tell you, you ain't seen nothing yet. You haven't seen anything. I think, what we're about to experience as the biggest bull cycle ever, as the money printer goes on, there are certain factors that will allow us to be in this banana zone, I believe. Just even if we say we're halfway right now, the upside for these projects is going to be incredible. Damn sure we do, Cayman. Oh, man. Mean money coming our way. Well, that's why I think it's important as well, guys, to basically it's important to actually get yourself financially educated, because you want to come to the next bear market with like 5 to 10 projects that you've been eyeing, and then have some money to the side, right? So you've got a bundle of cash for new projects, and then you've got blue chips from this cycle. Every cycle has newbies. You guys will all be hardened vets, the survivors of the 2024 pullback, and that's going to be incredible. When you shit your pants for F&G is sub 30, it's time to buy. Absolutely. You look for that brown stuff. Market pumping higher, man. Yo, Steve, what up, bro? Hope you're doing well. Rest of the family is doing fantastic. Thank you so much, bro. As always, guys, I read everything, so I'm slightly behind. I'm good, bro. Glad to have you back on live. Yeah, no, Shane, thank you so much, brother. Listen, I've been working my ass off, putting in the work, basically, because I think, look, you go through stages in crypto, right? I think if those that put the work in, whether we're investing, whether we're doing content creation, which mostly helps with investing anyway, because you're consistently researching. I think, listen, we've got a tight knit community, man, and I think, coming here live to have, it doesn't matter what time is it for me now. Um, it is nearly 2 in the morning, but yeah, definitely it's peak time for everybody. So I'm about 3 hours behind UK and Europe, and I think about 8 behind the US, 8 to 10, depending on where you are, North America, South America. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. In Belta, I hope you're doing well. Please refresh your portfolio. If the banana comes out, we need to talk much. You listen, I'm waiting for as many of you as possible to be in Dubai, man. Dubai is going to be a good place for us to hang out. We'll take a yacht or something, and we'll do a proper DXP get together. I'm definitely up for that, man. And a lot of you anyway, because you are all going to be international citizens. I don't think you will have any qualms about coming to Dubai or going to Singapore or living somewhere in the Caribbean, as long as it's a crypto-friendly place. Yeah, let's get that banana out. Pitbull token, crazy parabolic. Yeah, I'll check it out. Bro. Yeah. What's going on? Hey, listen, Donkey never shows up on green days. Glad to have you, bro. Good to have you back. Where have you been, brother? I hope everything is well, man. Hey, mate, shame about England. Yeah, but the green candles make up for it. Absolutely, Marky. Listen, Southgate has absolutely... Listen, I don't want to put it all onto Southgate, but give that team to a Mourinho or an Arsene Wenger or a Jurgen Klopp. That generation of, or this generation of England players deserves a world-class manager, man. Yo, what's going on, bro? Market is going good. I left him to $50. Look, $50, I think that is the minimum we can expect, right? The minimum we can expect for Alf is that $50. But just because it's gone up, I'll always go back to Alf becoming even a fraction of CAS. And by the way, you wait for that AMA and you'll see right now it's $52, 41x to where Casper is today, $4.3 billion. I'll take that any day, man. And, we don't even want to compare it to other layer ones. There's no need. This is a template. This is a project that is for me, something that is going to be something that's going to be printing money for this community. And so a lot of people fade this. I think crypto YouTube has a habit of becoming fanboys of certain projects. I just look at multipliers, man. Just simple multipliers. We don't really care. The community will often correct me and say, look, check this one out or check that one out. It doesn't mean nobody owns any picks. If Alf's going to give you a 41x, I think you take that, and I think you take that with both hands, and you run with it all the way to the bank. But yeah, good to have you. Good to have you, Peter. Yeah, Donkey's back, man. Yeah, Cass is doing numbers. LFG Cass, man, bro. Casper, right now, I deliberately did not look at my Casper portfolio today, man. It's a good feeling, but I would say there are other Caspers in the making. So yeah, look at that, 18 cents, all-time high coming really anytime soon. One of the strongest coins against Ethereum, and definitely performs against Bitcoin. So yeah, that's an incredible outlook. And what's going on, Adam? Let's have a look at Grayscale, because it's a very good question, man. It's an incredible question, because let's have a look and see if there's any news on the Grayscale Bitcoin. So Larry Fink, right? So this is the bit I saw about Grayscale. So he was wrong. He calls Bitcoin, and this came out today, as digital gold, right? So there is, even with grayscale thread out there, even actually, we kind of we posted something. I don't know if it was today or yesterday about the possibility of Bitcoin, the Mount Gox Bitcoin being dumped, and I think you are an absolute. You'd be crazy to do that just coming into the next leg up, but anything can happen, man. But do I think? Look, on the back of the comments from Larry Fink, he's the head of a 10 trillion asset management firm, right? BlackRock, and they own everything. So you had the bullish news about the tokenization of Goldman Sachs coming out, and you've got these ETFs happening. I mean, most of these, I believe, will be done maybe in a OTC way, because there's already rules. I mean, if you've ever been involved in large scale of BTC, there are strict guidelines that actually govern when it comes to processing big transactions. So yeah, we're just hoping that it gets absorbed. But I'm actually more hopeful now, going through the German dumping, and you've obviously got the grayscale. Will dump their ETFs too, just like they did with BTC too. I mean, listen, Ethereum. Sorry, I went straight into Larry Fink because this is part of the agenda. But look, even if they do that, I think ETH has not had a run. We would all agree. Like, if you see the Casper versus ETH chart, you would see like a lot of big altcoins outperforming Ethereum. I think Ethereum right now, with the ETF, there will be an added pressure. And don't forget as well, BlackRock's tokenized Ethereum Biddle Fund, right? So I think there's a lot more to come from ETH in this cycle. We've not seen anywhere near as aggressive performance. And again, we can check the dominance chart, but nevertheless, I think it would have a sell-off, but it's not going to be anywhere near as what we saw with Bitcoin, only because of the stage of the cycle. Because every day we edge closer to September, we're going to get some rate cuts. So good question, bro. Folios that what? Muzzy, what's going on, bro? Shame about England, man. But yeah, good to see that portfolio. Imagine if England won and Bitcoin dumped. Which one would you take? Yo, shout out to Tyrone, man. Let's have a look at Tyrone. Let's see where he is. Tyrone. So he's like, what? Bitcoin is what? Huh? Where's Bitcoin at? What is the banana zone? he's more in the coke zone. Yeah, you need more alpha. I think you're in a decent accumulation zone. You got an unlock coming. You've got, what is it, 120, 126. This token is going between 50, let's say $40 to $100. So when you consider this absolute downtrend, and you've got a little bit more coming, you still have a potential 70, 40, I would say 40x conservative, 70x on the top, the upper side. So yeah, it's a great time to be buying this token at 126. If you was to buy, let's say $1,000, maybe you want to put a quarter of that in now, because I've bought this much higher and a lot lower. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you'd be able to get a good average. But yeah, we still have few weeks left of July. Then we've obviously got August, and then storm starts. Election campaigns after what happened with Trump. It's more and more looking like we're going to get a super cycle with a crypto-friendly president. I think that's going to be that could be a narrative that you need to plan for. Of course, you need to plan for the worst too. But yeah, get some ALF. You're not too late. Chris said portfolio up. Bought myself an ice cream today. My brother. Yeah, you have to. You have to, bro. Yo, listen, I honestly I didn't realize I've got to travel on Tuesday night. So I'm hoping to be in some type of a hotel. I'll take some equipment up. Shame about that, but I don't think it's going to stop. As long as I'm breathing and there's internet connection, I don't even need to think about it. But listen, if those guys honestly were, if they're working for their communities, good luck to them, man. But at the end of the day, they can always join quality. Do you know YouTuber Crypto G? He hates mint layer. Yeah, you listen. I like Crypto G, man. I like Crypto G a lot. Crypto G, you may not know, but Crypto G is a real one. And you have to, I've been burnt in YouTube. You guys know that, but he hates mint layer. Look, the whole idea is, guys, what do we bomb countries for? Democracy, right? Fuck. I would say, look, we have to go back to the reign of Augustus. Like we need to live in harmony with different opinion. I think, I don't own any coin apart from, I invest in these projects, but at the end of the day, the idea is to make us money, right? So, if he sees things that that he doesn't like about it, enough respect to him. It's all about having opinions and convictions. I can tell you now, I've seen so many people, whether it's Marvia, whether it's Alf, whether it's Casper, the first, if you watch my channel back to about 13 months, all I was talking about was 2 projects mostly. And, I was talking about Casper. I was talking about, Pepe when it came out March 23. In the bear market, I was talking about Quants quite a lot, and Gilbert Verdian. And I don't know if that project is going to go and do a, if that project is going to do something in tokenize. You just have to keep an eye out of these projects, because what happened the last time we checked HBAR, and I was saying to you guys, they've changed their website. It's more about tokenization now. And I was reading something, maybe this is me being kind of too clever for myself, but I was looking at HBAR, and there was something cryptic about the tokenized assets of Goldman Sachs, because they refer to the technology as slightly different to the traditional currencies. So look, these are ghost projects. All it takes is just following a little bit of development. Foundation of Digital Finance. I mean, I don't know what they're doing. I'm not saying people go and buy this, by the way. I've actually sold all my quants in 2023. And this was one of the best performing assets in 2022/23, because this was where you kept your money safe. I guarantee you, if you look at the chart, this is like the stable coin that floats between $70 to about $140. So we just need to be mindful that these can actually spring back. But with the Goldman Sachs tokenization, there was something cryptic here, and this is something that you just need to pay attention to, because in terms of what they said in this interview, it was quite strange, and I read Hadera into it, but I'm not really sure. I wouldn't rule out some of these big caps doing numbers as well. What did they say? Bitcoin ETFs. Okay, let's see what I was looking for. But listen, they're in it, and definitely they will be looking at tokenizing certain number of, I don't know whether they'll use any of these, but yeah, keep in mind, we still have some of the best layer ones. And right now, by the way, guys, I bought a little bit of AIN, and AIN was, so you can only find AIN in CoinGecko. Where's Pepe Coin? Yeah, 266, up 11%. This is the number one DEX at $1 million of market cap for ALF. So it'll take a while for something like this to take traction. But if ALF does well, then the DEX does well, right? So yeah, just keep an eye out on these other utility plays within ecosystems. It's 5 p.m. in New Orleans. Wow. Nice and early, bro. Midnight here, baby. Montenegro is not that far. Yeah. Respect the, yeah, I have to. Shout out to ZF. I mean, we talked about ZF the other night, and it's going to go somewhere, right? Like, it's just bound to happen. Still micro cap at $8 million. But yeah, 22% up. Doesn't take a lot of money to move this on either direction. I'll manage the team. I'll teach them how to. Yeah, listen, you're much better than Southgate, that's for sure. Just teach them American football. Hurting me right now. Oh, damn, bro. Listen, at the end of the day, it's not, there's always these psychological numbers, right? You got to see the destination and not the journey, I believe. And it's one of those things, you wait for the reversal. And we had a good question in the Discord and also on the Patreon app today, which was, what can we, what can we expect, from ALF? Like, do you think the 3.5 million unlock is going to impact the price on the 25th? And I said, no. I think you're playing a dangerous game. Just like when we were coming down, nobody knew where the bottom was. Everybody talks shit. Yeah, it's going to go here. No one actually exactly knows, but you can have intelligent targets, set some limit orders, keep some money on the side, cancel the limit orders, and then you see the price going against you. You take a bite, you'll be fine. You'll be absolutely fine. I used to buy this at these prices and put out the buy alerts. So just because it's gone over to $1, all of a sudden, people look like they are genius, but they're not. We just have to be humble and know that these things can go up or down. Please look up walking on base, I assume. Nice one, brother. Let's have a look. Let's go to DEX tools. I'm sure we'll find it there. What is it called? Walkie. I assume it's this one here. Ooh. What is this? June 16th. Absolutely dumped. Yeah, I mean, look, let me know what's special about it. Have you got a scoop? This is going to do a mad thing. Yeah, this. All right. I've looked at it. And yeah, let me know if you know more. I mean, there's nothing to look here right now. 185, what is it? 181 market cap, 41K liquidity, meme coin on base, and decent website. Smash a like, guys. Smash a like. Bavier's Mafia. Why all in? The Gypsy Oracles. Even 20x, man. This shit is mad. Yeah, he's in beautiful surroundings, man. Gonna miss out Casper now. Now, Malvia. Yeah, bro, don't like these things, man. PKT, proof of work. Yeah, where do I find it, bro? Where do I? Let me just. Can I find it here? Is it on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko? Maybe here. You know, I love my proof of work tokens, man. Just couldn't find it. $4 million in market cap. Ooh. Decentralized internet. So it's probably not this one. This one is pkt.cash. And this is old school project as well. Let me know where I can find it. Yo, them bananas are mental, bro. They are going mental. It sounds way worse than what it is. I'm sure you know. Nice to keep himself. And Donkey is a legend. Good evening, amigo. Thoughts on TARS and Massa Network? Ooh, now you're talking my language, bro. So TARS, I talked about it I think a couple of nights ago, and you know, this thing is crazy. I like TARS. Look, TARS protocol backed by the Solana Foundation, low cap gem. And I think once we do like my strategy with these smaller places, like, you know, I've put all of my money into convictions, and then now you work your way down the portfolio. So this would, if you've got I'm sure you've got your premier AI play, whether it's AGI or AI tech or based AI or something along those lines. And then you come down to the OFNs and TARS protocols. So this one is bullish, decent exchange listings. Like I said, Solana Foundation can't go wrong, and I think they tweet well as well. You know, they keep people informed. Let's have a look. So yeah, they tweet every other day and twice on Sundays. So yeah, not bad at all. Especially if you're looking for a low cap AI play. But Massa gets me interested. The only shit thing about this is the tokenomics. So we're going to the pre-sale, and I had a shit allocation, right? Now, recently, they've obviously introduced the dual token with Bitensor subnet, and it's very difficult to A, get in there, and B, is really expensive to be in the Bitensor subnet. So they've managed to do that. It's a big project. Animoca Brands, amongst others, who back this. So I do like that. From a tokenomics standpoint, I think it's just like any other project. And right now, look, circulating is what, 19%. So it's a lot worse when I looked at this. But yeah, we had the privilege of going to the coin list, and then I got something like, you know, not a big amount of tokens. Obviously, the chart had an airdrop, but as a project, as an AI project, it's good. Fair AI powered by the people, tons of good backers, and it just has consistent unlocks. But it's one of the big projects out there. Massa utility token powering fair AI, use and earn Massa, contributing to data and compute. And obviously, there's a lot of validators that are staking to earn up to 25% APY. Developers pay in Massa to access. So the token economy is also decent. And obviously now that subnet is, and basically you earn you earn rewards in dual tokens. So it's called Massa Tau. And that's a big thing, right? These guys are paying their way into the Tau subnet. So from a project standpoint, I like. From an investment standpoint, I'm not so sure about it. And again, you know, incubated by Hashkey and Binance. So this will be a big project. Now, if you're looking for an AI project with good backing, then maybe this is for you. But like I said, let's go back to the let's just have a look at crypto rank real quick, because I wrote about this week in the Discord, and I said to the guys, Massa is a good project but bad tokenomics. And again, circulating supply here is what? 105 million of 1.5 billion. So that is the problem. The IEO is down 2.89%. So from the price that we got in, it's not much going on there. So yeah, that's massive for you, man. Shame. There is an unlock coming tomorrow. You can see there. 13 million to be unlocked. So they are unlocking these quite fast. But if we look further down, do they get smaller? And the answer is, so yeah, nah, it's got dilution, man. December, $49 million. Sorry, 44 million tokens, another 46. It's quite consistent. And then if you look at April 25, they will have another 62 million unlock. So practically, you know, that's what they planned for. So for that reason, I'm not going to invest in it. Like Dragon's Den, for that reason, I'm out. Do some madness like Peter Jones. Need some juice to buy. Yeah, man, especially in Europe. Yeah, let's have a look at these. Bro said Casper will change live soon. Yeah, Casper is incredible, man. It's generational wealth. Good evening, mate. How are you, brother? Yep, we talked about it. Sorry, I'm 10 years too late usually. Tether minted 1 billion today. You know what that means. Pepe Coin, based AI, dry teeth, love the name, and of course Trump, Brett. Listen, you've got like the England front four, man. That's Saka, actually Arsenal, Martinelli, Jesus. What is the token unlock like on Alf? Come find it on the. Yeah, sure. No worries, man. Let me show you. I've got a graphic here. I think it's over 93 years. And the Alf tokenomics. Let's have a look. I had it here somewhere, but there we go. Right. Okay. So it is a deflationary setup, which is great. You can see most of your vesting is going up the other way, right? This is going deflationary. And so basically where we are right now is, let's have a look at July 25th, 2024, 3.2 million. Look at that. Look at that dramatic drop, guys. Let's just make this a little bit bigger. So there you go. That's the last of the summer wine. That is it. From there, it goes to 720K. Q3, that's October. That's absolutely nothing. Then you've got obviously January 25, 400K. April 21st, 2025, 400K. And that the last unlock is July 25th, 400K. But look at the difference. So Alf started off with the mainnet launch releasing what 5.7 million tokens, and then of course they had to then get these unlocks 6 million, 6 million. I mean, that's a lot, right? Very, very aggressive there. This was all 2023, and the token prices reflected that. And then obviously October last year we started the 3 million unlocks. January, same. And then April, that was the last one, because this coincided with the bearish market sentiment. So that's really why we've got the opportunity to come and play with ALF at these prices. Because if you didn't have that and the vesting was just this, then none of us would have a chance today. ALF will be sitting at $10, $15, something ridiculous like that. So then obviously you've got here 728K in October in the banana zone. That's nothing. And look at that. That's all that's remaining. And these, that takes us to 60 million in circulation for this bull market. Can you imagine? 60 million, 62,951,000 circulating for this bull market. And the people that say Alpha's got bad tokenomics, they've got no friggin' idea, because within that, there's burning mechanism. So yeah, it's lovely to see that, right? And bro said, yeah, Ted is going nuts. Tectum is doing numbers. We're heading for $9. I think this kind of cools off at $12 if the market conditions stay the same. But look how small. I mean, look, we're having such a fantastic day. I hope you've obviously all DCA'd into this bag, but Tectum's going to be all right. And lightning fast, layer 1, layer 2, all of the above. And right now, it is going to be something that is incredibly interesting. And again, under $10, I still think that it's a decent, very, very good buy. If this goes to $200 or $400, then none of us is going to complain. 3.5 million transactions with the soft note. So yeah, nice. What's up, Rab? Hope you're doing well, bro. DXP, what's up? I have 3 main AI projects: AI tech, based AI, and AGI. Should equally weight these. Very good question. So I have the same, and I think the balance really depends on where you have the most conviction out of the 3. Now, for me, AGI is a fantastic token. I think where I see the most upside of the 3, aggressively speaking, will be based AI. Because based AI for me is one of those projects that gave Tau a run for their money without actually having a token. And I know that doesn't make sense to a lot of people, but the dev team over there are not messing around. So with kind of deflationary tokenomics, 35 million, slightly more than Tau, you've got, I think it's 248x more brain capacity or subnets, whatever you want to call them. And then the Pepe coin, and then the backers. I think, and the fact that that stuff hasn't got any listings at all, with the exception of Polonex and some cheap ass exchange that they probably testing the mainnet with, right? So I think that would be my, in terms of like ranking them as a low cap, AI tech is the low cap gem out of the 3 of them, but the other 2 are around 100 million plus in market cap. So yeah, yeah, bro. So it's one of those things, man. But great projects. It's a difficult question to to unpack right now, but I think it's a very very good question, bro. Vinos, Gyros, what's going on, bro? What do you think about Cipro? Is everything okay, sir? Listen, man, no comments, bro. We got green candles. I saw a video 3 minutes ago. He's talking about you. Oh, really? What do you think of Tottenham? Shit. What do you think of Tottenham? Listen, honestly, if he's talking about me, bro, I don't really care. But look, we past that now. It's for me, it's he's playing with fire, and you guys know who how I am anyway. So yeah, listen, he can say whatever he wants. But yeah, I don't really have to talk about. I think, listen, what's hurting him the most is the video that I did warning people, right? So, if he's hurt by that video, I'm sorry, but it's the truth. It is absolutely truth when it comes to the dark arts of crypto. And yeah, man, there's going to be people like that. But at the end of the day, each to their own. I'm over that shit, man. I'm eating green candles. It's probably the AMA that they're probably jealous about, man. So yeah, we leave that at that. absolute legends. I forgot about Chris. Nah, Chris is different, man. Set to limit order on based AI. I hope it will get filled. Yeah, man. Why not? Why not, bro? Listen, anytime you get an opportunity to DCA at these prices, it's great. And if it goes back there, great. If it doesn't, then you can still buy some now. $80 cans. You try. $80 cans. Yeah, I hope so, man. And yeah, what's happening, man? Like, smash a like. Do you still have conviction on G-File? Yeah, I hold it. And look, the project is not bad, but I think where they go wrong is I actually, I tried to get hold of them, and they just don't have any public presence. You could have the best toy, but if you're not going to play with it, what's the point? I mean, I'm waiting for Trip Hawkins to appear somewhere. And listen, this does well, I believe. I genuinely believe this does well. The dumping is starting to subside a bit. They've got a good team. I don't really see why it doesn't do well. The only reason why it wouldn't do well, personally speaking, is if they continue. I mean, somebody said to me in the Discord that they don't they actually never used their X page to the point where it got hacked. So for the first time, players can buy and sell whatever. But yeah, they've been so July 11th. So that's what I'm talking about. They need to ramp up the marketing. Alt season is coming. Alt season is coming. PKT on Mexi. Okay. But got delisted. I wonder why, bro. PKT cash. Yeah, no, I'll check it. I'll check it for you. I saw that $4 million in market cap, right? PKT.cash. I wonder why it got listed from Mexi, bro. Because that's not really the future of internet access, decentralized physical infrastructure, deepen supporting open internet. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, look, Bitmart and Mexi. Yeah, I'll read about it a bit more. Let's do a thorough research on this. And yeah, did it get delisted on Mexi? Still showing on there, but looks interesting. I like to look at these degens when the other bags are flying out the window. I like G-Fowl, but I like Creo a little better. Yeah, I mean, listen, good projects. Bro said, got like Mafia. but don't like gas. You get me, fam? It's either going to MSN or PT. Wow, bullish. Yeah, I'll read into that. Yeti, what's going on, bro? Good to have you, man. Clifford in the building. Joey in the building. Being strong last week. Yeah, it's just been pumping for us. Since your name is DXB Crypto, I assume you live in Dubai. John, yes, I do, sir. It's actually Dubai Airport. That's my name. New subscriber, welcome on board, brother. And let us know where you're from, man, so we can believe you're in Dubai. I can see the Dettol spray. Shout out Dettol sponsors DXP. Yeah, no, I had to clean the table, you know what I mean? Some cobwebs, bro. Turbo is Turbo. Let's have a look at Turbo. I thought you were going to say Turbo's Finance. Jeez. Yeah, this is, 200, still under 300 million. 10x, 20x. Gently soft unlocks by Cass. 100%, bro. I would reconsider Alf, guys, for Cass. Toptastic, Neva. I'm not familiar with Neva. Never came across it. Maybe I've come across it, but then I come across a lot of projects. $1 million, fully diluted 2 million, 74K in volume. Very good chart. I mean, the chart is not bad at all. Good recovery. Let's see what this is. GameFi with ZK. Oh yeah, I've seen this before. Good low cap gem. Have they got? Let's see the exchanges. Yeah, still on Uniswap. Decent. The only thing is, we don't know who the team is. So right now it sits in Uniswap. Decent chart. Very good on the basis of it. I haven't actually read the white paper, but looks decent. Needs more investigating. Let's see if they've got any faces on Twitter. 23 hours ago, launching Apache Niva testnet. All right. Press article released. Let's have a look. Always peaceful. Okay. ZK modular layer 2 Ethereum on the Celestia, offering impressive scalability performance. I'd love to know who the team is here, because from a project standpoint, looks like one of those stealth launches. Glasgow, what's happening, bro? How are you? Hope you're well. Cliff getting all the love. Let's fucking go. Jan, absolutely, bro. John, you're living in Dubai, bro. Where? Whereabouts, man? Obviously, don't give the address here, but yeah, let's link up, man. Good to have you here, brother. Dubai is the best city in the world. Bahamas is live here. We have no tax. 007 live, man. Casino Royale. Yeah, you know what? I honestly, you started this, man. That's all I'm going to say. Cliff is the man. Thank you so much, brother. Cliff got me Octa Space. And of course, I did Dynex and Mint Layer, and now Aletheum. And it's so insane. I mean, I am. Guys, let me know, right? Let me know if I should reschedule this, because I am traveling to an exotic destination on Wednesday. I literally booked the ticket. So shall I obviously do this on the laptop over there, or shall I come back to DXB settings, just to give Aletheum the red carpet, man? I don't know whether I should reschedule this one. I really want to be in the studio settings, but nevertheless, you do it in the toilet if you have to, right? So yeah, we'll keep it so far. I'll think about it tomorrow. How high do you think AGI can go? I don't know why I think Halo. Absolutely. Project. I'm thinking of $50. Holy Jesus. $50. Ooh, that is. Listen, stranger things have happened, right? $50 for me. I think. Look, I'd be happy with $9 if I'm being honest. $9, $6 to $9 would be epic. $50 would be, crazy. I mean, $50 is, that gives you a 263x, right? So the market cap would have to be something ridiculous. 20 billion in market cap and a token price of shit. Yeah, that's crazy. I think that's crazy. Yeah, but listen, if you want to moonbag that, you can. Absolutely can, bro. Yeah, out to $100. Go to at least 30. If yeah, it's. But we don't even know like what we would do with that kind of money, right? Take a free time, baby. Of course. Yeah, AGI is a beast. Just pack the studio in a case with you and like yeah, but you're just you're next level, bro. Like that's the Rolls Royce. That's with the Yeti, with the stand. That's incredible. But yeah, I might as well do that, man. Keep the schedule, right? Yeah, but your setup was nice. I'm not gonna lie. And by the way, that receipt was ginormous. I'm gonna have to post that one day. I spoke to you 2 hours while in my man. That night we should have done a live. Actually, we did on the airport or at the airport. Sorry, on your way back. But guys, look, if you still wanna DCA, plenty of it. Let's have a look at DNX today. Bullish news after bullish news. 50 cents up nicely, and strong start to the quarter. Why? Because of this. So customer testimonial. After customer testimonials, partnerships with Sheldon. And again, plenty of customers coming on board. Now, what I do like about what Cliff says about this is the fact that they are a business first. So you want, you want a company sometimes to be able to give you a good token utility and a business case beyond just looking at relying on the token itself. As always, this legend is always here. Plenty of stuff happening. There was a really good post I saw the other day, and there you go, flow shop scheduling. We need to do another sit down with you and Tarek, and maybe we'll do another one with you, Tarek, and Alefium as well. We'll form a bit of a cult. But yeah, good stuff, man. Working your backside off. You deserve every success, brother. Cliff from Dynex is one of the true legends in the crypto space, man. The Yeti is one of the most legendary. So $50 sold by Casper for AGI right now. Just hold on, man. Hold on. Don't do it, brother. Don't jump. We love you. I'm cheating at work, running nonstop to watch YouTube. That's all right, bro. Getting married after the bull run. Wow. Listen, you got to invite us to the wedding, man. Cast to $20. I genuinely believe that you think cats may go to $80, bro. Want some screenshots or something and announce? Yeah, brother. Why not? Let's go. Let's go. I'm not getting married. Hell no. Now listen, you know what? You can look, you can always do what I'm not sure if you're familiar with this guy, but he's an absolute legend amongst the marriage circles. And every man's every man's playbook was basically played out by this guy. So listen, this is the DXB Marriage Council session, right? So if you don't know, now you know. You know very well who you are. You know what this is? This is the template for every married man, right? Don't let him hold you down. So this guy was married to his wife, right? A French model. And this is a financial lesson for couples. We don't just do crypto, we do marriage counseling too. So what he did was he put his entire wealth under his mother's name. And he's a football player for PSG, right? And then, yeah, she knew what she was doing. So she was like, you know what? Man, I'm going to take that crypto money. I'm going to take it. I'm going to get this guy, get a divorce. And it actually became, this is institutionally taught. I kid you not. You see these articles here, right? And what this is a financial story and a couple for lessons for couple. So yeah, if if you're a young guy or girl, just read up this story, man. She requested half of his properties, but was shocked to find out everything he owns was owned in his mother's name. Ashraf was 24, a professional football player, reported a net worth of 24 million, although 80% of his wages goes directly into his mother's bank account. The pair married in 2020, have 2 boys, and obviously principals, right? So the financial principles from their story is Ashraf Hakimi's personal matter may not be necessarily, it doesn't provide universal financial lessons to all people. However, there are some general principles applied to the marriages and relationships. Number 1, open and honest communication on finances, not in crypto, right? Couples should regularly discuss their financial goals. When the wife comes, what are you doing on YouTube? I ain't go. I don't know. I've just lost money. Both partners should take active role in managing their finances. This means do not share your ledger, Tangent, or OneKey. Regular reviews and updates on the estate plans. I don't owe shit, is what she's basically saying in the. I'm interpreting this in the school of hard knocks, right? A will or estate is. In case of divorce, it's important to seek professional advice. In summary, the lessons are, so the article is saying be honest and open. What DXB legal counsel is saying is be honest about some stuff like buying bread for the family, buying that new whip for the wife. Because what if you tell her you're going to make $20 million, right? And you end up not selling and you write the bags down. Could you imagine your household after talking to the missus about every stage of your crypto investment? She turns out and she says to you, what's happening? It's 2026, man. Where's the money? You're like, oh, babe, I came back down with the bags. That's why it's better to plan and sell with no exceptions at the top of the bull market, or not even the top. As you go up into the bull market, you take profits. because up till then, you're just building up more financial pressure for yourself. You know, if you get a 10x, 20x, take some money and leave moonbags here and there. So you look at the bear market as a testament of tiny, tiny moonbags that you've come back with. I'm selling everything, right? I don't want to gain no lessons in, I don't want to be studied at Harvard or Princeton or Oxford or Cambridge as Ashraf is clearly absolutely pulling out some G moves. And hold on a minute, breaking news. The Yeti has just shared something with us. Yeah, sorry. Let me stop the divorce lesson or financial lessons for couples. Let's see what the Yeti is saying here. Man, this is some quantum. This is the quantum Sudoku. How can I zoom into this? Numeric logical puzzle. Yeah, I'll get you to explain this, bro. I'll get you to explain this. Because tonight the megabytes are kind of lacking a bit. That divorce just kind of ticked me off. But yeah, I'll get you on to explain that, man. So guys, that's it. You know, I've done an hour. And I ain't saying she's a gold digger. John said, pure mature gold digger picking your young men. Oh, mate, that is. It also matters, you know. If you, God forbid, you run into some marital problems, it just matters about the jurisdiction, right? If you're living in some kind of I don't know, some new place that you carved yourself after the bull market, they may have lenient laws. And again, you have to support your family, but of course, you just got to clean after yourself. Just make sure that you don't leave no fingerprints on that ledger. Legends. Where we at? Drift protocol. I'll do a couple of more before I drift out. I don't know drift protocol. It's probably this one. 78 million, crazy volume. Never heard of this. And yeah, I've never seen this token before, bro. Ooh, on Solana as well. We may be off to a gem. Why is this such a high market cap, man? Is it fully diluted? No. Markets. Coinbase already. $80 million and going up. Yeah, it looks good. Pre-launch markets. I've always been afraid of any website that comes with these Solana colors. I don't know if you feel the same. I know something so small, but yeah, I'll take a deep look at this. Thank you for that, bro. Looks decent. You have to trust your mother. Absolutely. Trust your mother to not screw you up. You put his mom's name. So if he gets the divorce paper, his wife's getting nothing because his mom owns. It's crazy smart, bro. Like, I mean, look, at the end of the day, it's one of these things, right? Like, again, God forbid, like we're in something like this. But this guy, man, friggin' hell, 24-year-old. He probably got married when he was about 20 or something. Or 19, I don't know. He was young. But man just goes and takes everything in his mother's name so that he knew something was up. Do a couple of more here. What's your take on exchange token? I've seen, this is kind of like when I'm in the dark doing research. I think the token ticker is XThen change, right? Exchange, I think. To the exchange. Is it this one? I know a few big guys that hold this. If this is the one. Sorry, Belter. I've listen. Sorry to the ladies, right? We shouldn't be we shouldn't be talking about man tax divorce since 2018. Daddy Don. He's out of the game. 16x, 16 by 6 Sudoku. Man, that is an like bro's on Star Trek. I swear to God. This is the cluster age, star cluster age. Yeah, man. That's some Star Wars shit going on with Dynex. Incredible. It's too late. Many women. It's too short and too short. And nothing but the facts. The star cluster is a new unreleased one. Yeah, bro. Nice. Big alpha, man. I'll let you listen. I'm gonna get you back on here. I want the baddest woman. Yeah, you might want to reach out to us over here, bro. Yeah, look, dreams do come true, bro. Why not? I've seen stranger things, honestly. Not with Cass said, bro. Why not with Cass? $1 is bearish. I'm thinking seriously, $3. Nah, $3 is. I think we get $3 in different stages. And ladies and gentlemen, that is about it. We've just had an amazing session, and I would like to thank every single one of you, and get some friggin' sleep. I've got like an early one tomorrow. But listen, guys, amazing session. I hope we all continue to just believe in our bags a little bit more after this little pump. And yeah, I'll probably see you tomorrow night, guys. We'll do another one before I do my next live from, like Cliff said, from up some dusty hotel somewhere. The Somewhere Hotel. Good night, guys. God bless. Take care. I'll catch you on the next one.